if you're a permanent makeup studio and you've done Facebook advertising in the past, chances are you've not really seen really good results. So in this video, I'm just going to be breaking down basically my Facebook ad campaign and my strategy for when I work with my clients, running these microblading, lip blush, powder brows treatments, and how I actually would advertise that on Facebook. Just going to be doing literally working from the ground up in this video. So just starting fresh and show you guys how you can actually implement this into your business and see anywhere from a 3 to 7x ROAS. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we are on the Facebook Ads Manager. Now all I'm going to do now is just show you how I actually build out everything literally from the scratch. So if we go to create, we're going to optimize for leads, nothing else. We're not going to do engagement, traffic, or sales or anything like that, just leads. And then let's say if we want to advertise microblading, we just put microblading and then the city name, so I'll just put Miami as an example. Leave everything normal, but turn this on. What this does is if you want to spend $10 a day or £10 a day, what that does is that the entire campaign will spend that much, and it will allocate the budget towards the ad that's performing the best. So £10. Press next. Things in the way. There you go. Press next, and then ad set name. For example, if we have 3 images that we want to run on Facebook, all we're going to do is just put image 1 and then put a distance. So if we want to do, for example, like this ad, we want to target people 20-mile radius, we just put image 1 20-mile. Leave that on instant forms, or if you're doing lead capture on your website, just do website. And this is an old Facebook page. And then literally the only thing I touch is the location, so put in the zip code or postcode. You can't just type in the city name, because for example, right, if I go to Miami, if I type in the city name, I can only go down to 5 miles, I believe, or 10 miles targeting. But if I drop a pin, it goes all the way down to 1. So just for the example of this, if I'm doing 20-mile targeting, I'm just gonna put 20. There you go. Age, people from microblading, I usually just put, to be honest, 35 to 55. Then this, women. And then manual placements, literally only have these 2 on. You got, so turn everything else off. Just like that. Next. And then this is where the creativity comes in. So, just put same thing. Image 1, 20 miles. Select your page here. So you always want to put 1-to-1 as well. So okay, once we're primary text, literally what I usually put is first sentence or line is going to be calling out people in Miami. We're going to call out the pain point of the prospect. Now don't copy me, because I'm literally just being very vague here. I'm not going into specific details or putting a lot of time and effort into this. I'm just showing you guys an example. So first line, call out the area. Second line, call out their pain. And third line, offer your solution. For a limited time, we are offering $100 off for the beautiful. And then you want to put for the next 3, 5, 10 women that claim whatever. Claim the voucher. And then under this you can put a ton of literally benefits, details, whatever. And the bottom just press just like that. Just something like that basically. So call out the area, call out their pain, say the solution and add exclusivity. So say or not exclusivity, sorry. Fear of missing out, so next 3 women who claim the voucher to the next 3 women who claim the voucher. You can add benefits and information down here, and then just press click learn more to claim the voucher. Actually, let me write that because that's so bad. Just something like that. Obviously, with better spelling, of course. Headline: $100 off. Beautiful. So if you're doing microblading, right, you want to have some unique name. So instead of just, you know, being microblading and being literally average like everyone else, just rename it. Say like, you know, Beautiful Brow Special. And, you know, call to action or more. Or you can even put get offer even, but then you have to change that. Change this to get offer. Boom, and now your ad's done, and you just want to copy. And then once it's done, you want to copy this. So, and you go to the ad set level. So just duplicate it 2 times, and then for each ad, all you want to do is change the radius. So if we're doing 5 on one, do 10 on the other, and do 20 on the other. So every single ad set's gonna have like a different radius basically. And since we're optimizing for instant forms, we're actually gonna have to make an instant form in the Facebook Meta Business Center. So form name, you know, just put microblading, whatever. I usually have it as more volume, intro, use image from ad, headline, just something like that, something just like that actually. And then questions, you want to have email, full name at the top, and then we need the phone number. Where do you get that? So, full name, phone number, email. That's all you need. Privacy policy, put a link to your website. It's privacy policy, and if you don't have one, if you type in Facebook privacy policy, you can just literally copy and paste it. Not here, sorry. Facebook ads privacy policy. Yes, if you don't have a website, just get this, you know, copy, paste it in here. And just put privacy policy. Then completion, call to action, call business. Put your number in. Let's say this. Thanks for claiming the voucher. Our receptionist will reach out to you shortly. So basically, ignore my spelling for the whole thing, but basically what we're doing is that we're having leads come in through the Facebook ad, and then once the lead comes in, we're actually calling them. So basically the whole point of this is to get phone numbers of people who are interested, because they're warm, and then we're just going to give them a ring and actually book them in for a consultation, and then after that we can convert them into a microblading client. So that's how I run my Facebook ads. It's really simple, and I gave a very simple explanation on it. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below, and have a good day.